Shalom Israel, giving up praise to Yahweh, Bashim Shabbat, Shimakakat. The one to the elders, GMS, and Google citation to Yakim out there, pushing his word, truth, sincerity, and pushing your freedom in your life to do so. It's going to be a quick one, man. You can already tell by the title. Gervonta Davis, the boxer, turns himself in because he was charged with domestic violence after his baby mom's altercation. Okay, so we're going to read a little bit of it. We're going to play this video. We're going to get like 2 scriptures. Like you see, Gervonta Davis choked up his baby moms. Ain't really no telling what she was doing. So we're gonna get a scripture. This is Proverbs 6:32. But whoso committeth adultery with a woman lack of understanding, he that doeth it destroyeth his own soul. Right? Because really that's what it is, man. Women be out here committing adultery. Men do it too. They wrong their own soul. You see? And that's what the scriptures say. We lack understanding. Verse 33. Wound and dishonor should he get, and his reproach should not be wiped away. Because what happens when you get caught, man? You get embarrassed, you're ashamed, and you be reproached. But verse 34 is the point. For jealousy is the rage of a man, therefore he will not spare in the day of vengeance. And as you can see, that's what Gervonta Davis was going to do. He didn't spare because he was jealous for whatever reason, and most likely that was the case. Probably playing with his child, playing with his money, taking him child support, just making his life a living hell. You see? And so I don't know in this kingdom, JP when they come up. But really, the world is against you. See? But that was what I really wanted. It said, for jealousy is the rage of a man, therefore he will not spare in the day of vengeance. Verse 35, he will not regard any ransom, neither will he rest content, though thou givest many gifts. Because jealousy is the rage of a man. So in that day in time, you're not about to spare, no matter what you give him. You see? Proverbs. This is Proverbs 30:20. Such is the way of an adulterous woman, she eateth and wipeth her mouth, and saith, I have done no wickedness. As you can see, that was Gervonta Davis' baby moms. Eating and wiping her mouth like she ain't doing nothing wrong. See? That's jealousy. Look at my man's face. See, that's probably her man. See? Adultery. Got a whole new dude. You mad now. She got like she ain't done no wickedness. So with that, so